Moving on to the last and the most awaited award of the evening, the Equipment India Person of the Year 2021. This award is presented for remarkable achievements in the year that have propelled both the organization of the recipient and the industry. From the contenders to this award, the jury's vote was unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together for the Equipment India Person of the Year 2021, Mr. Arvind K. Garg, Executive Vice President and Head, Construction and Mining Machinery Business and Industrial Machinery Business, Larsen & Toubro, for his remarkable achievements over this past year. With a diverse experience of 35 years in Larsen & Toubro Group, Mr. Garg's responsibilities include the activities of L&T's Rubber Process Machinery and Product Development Center. In his long association with the construction and mining equipment industry, Mr. Garg has worked closely from L&T with the global majors like Komatsu, Japan and Scania, Sweden. He is now championing the cause of digitalization with innovative solutions to enhance customer satisfaction. Congratulations, Mr. Arvind K. Garg. Equipment India Person of the Year 2021. Congratulations, sir, and requesting you to make an acceptance speech.
Mr. Padode, Mr. Singh, members of the jury, doyens of the Indian construction equipment industry, our dear valued customers, colleagues, friends, and fellow L&Tites, deeply humbled to stand here today to receive this award because Equipment India, as has been said, is a publication which is really grown in stature, and the basis on which these awards are sort of recognized, and my predecessors ahead of me who have received these awards are people of great stature, and I'm really privileged and honored to be able to join this select group of industry leaders who have helped shape this industry, helped build infrastructure in India. And as India grows on her path of sitting on the high table, the government is investing hugely in infrastructure. And it is this entire ecosystem here, which, as Mr. Singh rightly said, is the ecosystem that is helping transform India and help her realize her vision of being one of the most advanced countries in the world in terms of infrastructure. From where we are and where we want to be, the gap is huge. And for me, it's a great privilege that I have been with Larsen & Toubro for the last 38 years in this industry and have played my small role and have contributed my might in nation building. I'm not sure many of you know, but for us in L&T, this is our 75th year of being associated with the construction and mining equipment industry. And hence, this award at this point of time is also a great privilege. The industry is growing. We are all growing. We are bringing in new technology. We are bringing in a lot of digital. And as we transform the industry, I think there's great amount of work to be done, and Equipment India, you're doing a great job in helping bring the vision of what's happening elsewhere in the world to India and helping us realize that there is change that is in the air and that we need to embrace this change. So again, big thanks to you for recognizing my humble efforts. Deeply, deeply humbled to join this select group of predecessors and industry captains who have been Equipment India Persons of the Year before me. And I would like to wish you all success and wish the industry all success as we come out of the challenging times that we have faced over the last couple of years. But I can see that like these lights here, there is brightness ahead, there are bright days ahead, and let's do everything that we can to build this nation. You know, we talked about the HSR project. I mean, it's a privilege that L&T is the one that is today doing most of that activity. So we are at the forefront of building infrastructure of nation building. And to the fact that you have recognized our humble effort is indeed very, very gratifying, and I'm very, very thankful to you. Thank you very, very much. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Garg, for your inspiring words and for your remarkable contribution to the industry.